In front of me is DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. And then hit OK in the pop-up. Following that, go into Tab menu and edit it by scrolling all the way down and choosing this pen on the left. Now scroll down again, look for Caffeine shortcut and drag it to your current ones. Place it wherever you want to, go back and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!